네, 두 번째 기조 강연으로는 미국의 제라드 사울 아마존웹서비스 글로벌헬스케어 생명과학과 벤처 스타트업 총괄님을 모셨습니다. 이번 강연에서는 아마존웹서비스의 디지털 헬스 전략과 실사례라는 주제로 이야기해 주실 예정입니다. 제라드 사울 총괄님 화면으로 같이 만나보겠습니다.
Hello, I'm Dr. Jared Saul, the Global Head of Healthcare and Life Sciences, Venture and Startups here at Amazon Web Services. It's my pleasure to speak with you today and share with you some of the work AWS is doing in healthcare. Before we jump into talking specifically about our work in healthcare, I want to share that AWS has a passion for innovation. And that passion crosses industries and permeates into everything we do. At our essence, Amazon strives to be the most customer-centric company in the world. To drive innovation, we have a unique culture, and that starts with our customers and includes thinking long-term and accepting the idea of being misunderstood or having the occasional failure. Gartner has scored AWS as the leader for cloud infrastructure and platform services for 11 years in a row. Looking at this chart, we see ability to execute on the vertical axis and completeness of vision on the horizontal axis. Those with high scores on both axes form the leaders quadrant in the upper right. That's AWS at the top of the upper right in the leaders quadrant. It's a testament to our customers. What else sets us apart? Well, one thing is our infrastructure is really expansive. It's comprised of 26 regions and 84 availability zones and growing. There are 8 announced regions and 30 additional availability zones coming. With millions of active customers and tens of thousands of partners globally, AWS has the largest and most dynamic ecosystem. Customers across virtually every industry and of every size, including startups, enterprises, and public sector organizations, are running every imaginable workload and use case on AWS today. Security and compliance remains job zero at AWS. Specifically for the healthcare industry, we provide a number of global certifications and accreditations, including HIPAA, HITRUST, GDPR, and others, that allow you to store, process, or transmit your most sensitive data in the cloud and improve your security and compliance posture. Most importantly, our shared responsibility model ensures ownership and control of the data remains with you at all times. As of January 2022, we've launched 137 HITRUST certified services for customers to use and develop their solutions. GDPR has especially strong healthcare implications. We also committed to offering services and resources to customers to help them comply with GDPR requirements that apply to their activities. And we continue to see customers leverage the AWS GDPR Center for guidance and best practices. We understand that our customers have different needs. Some would prefer to build from scratch and customize every piece of their cloud implementation, while others prefer to have help utilizing purpose-built solutions, templates, guidance, partners, and professional services. AWS gives you the ability to choose best-in-class offerings across the spectrum that best fit your needs. More specific to healthcare, AWS has a vision of being the most trusted innovation and technology partner to our health system customers. Our mission is to enable our customers with the very best technology in order for them to really modernize and disrupt the delivery of convenient, personalized, and effective healthcare to their patients. In addition to being the industry's most comprehensive and broadly adopted cloud platform, we have years of experience with a dedicated focus in the healthcare and life sciences industries. Our team is comprised of industry veterans and experts, and we find that this combination of technological expertise and industrial knowledge helps make AWS a trusted technology partner to the global healthcare industry. We work with organizations across the entirety of the healthcare spectrum, from providers focused at the point of care to healthcare ministries that create healthcare policies impacting entire populations. AWS provides the foundational technology to drive security, compliance, agility, and innovation. Our focus on technology solutions allows the entire healthcare industry to worry less about their IT and focus more on what matters most, delivering care to their patients. AWS is constantly looking for ways to help address the challenges in healthcare. This slide shares many of the current challenges facing the healthcare industry globally. One example is the phenomena of clinician burnout, and that's a concern that's threatening care delivery globally. Inefficient workflows, documentation, and operational processes get in the way of patient care. At AWS, we are focused on leveraging our technology, partners, and the insights from medical data to help modernize, automate, and improve the clinician experience. Another industry challenge is how we move towards a more patient-centered and personalized care delivery model. Inefficiencies in traditional care and therapies drive up operational expenses while reducing revenue. The lack of personalized care can also lead to unnecessary or ineffective treatments and costly readmittances. Keeping health information secure and private adds yet another burden to the bottom line. And while the challenges are great, so are the opportunities. Cloud technology presents an extraordinary opportunity to reshape the healthcare industry with tools that can help organizations manage and derive insights from data. Artificial intelligence and machine learning have already set the course for a new area of personalized medicine. And when we think about personalized care, genomics is center stage. It's a crucial enabler. The cost of sequencing or otherwise analyzing genome-related information is decreasing significantly. In fact, the sequencing cost per human genome has decreased nearly $100,000 to just $200 as of September 2022. We are at a true inflection point, and we can use this data to drive improved healthcare outcomes and advanced clinical research. We recently announced the general availability of the Amazon Omics purpose-built service to help healthcare and life science organizations build at scale to store, query, and analyze genomic, transcriptomic, and other omics data. By removing the undifferentiated heavy lifting, we allow users to generate insights from omics data and improve health outcomes and advance scientific discoveries. Our Amazon Omics service offers many core benefits, including that with multi-omic and multimodal analysis, you can securely combine the genome data of individuals with their medical history to deliver more personalized care. This also allows you to use purpose-built data stores to support large-scale analysis and collaborative research across entire populations. You can accelerate this research using automated workflow implementations and integrated computational tools. And finally, you can protect patient privacy with GDPR-ready compliance, HIPAA eligibility, and built-in data access and logging. Some of the common use cases for our genomics tools include scale population sequencing, where there is analysis of thousands of genomes at once to understand how genomic variations map to phenotypes across a population. We also see common use around improved clinical genomics workflows. Here, we can build reproducible and traceable clinical genomics workflows from raw sequence data. Furthermore, it's possible to accelerate clinical trials and enhance research and innovation with these tools. This slide shows an example of some of our most well-known customers operating in the genomic space. In order to really accelerate research and discovery, it's important to have access to world-class data sets. AWS hosts a growing number of crucial open access datasets in our repository of open data. A few of the commonly accessed ones are listed on this slide. Let's pivot to talk a little bit more specifically about AWS in healthcare. I would now like to show you a video of AWS for Health that demonstrates how we help our customers in the healthcare sector. Thanks.
The time to make personalized health an everyday reality is now. Deliver the innovations that benefit patient care with Amazon Web Services. You've established a secure, compliant, and interoperable data strategy on AWS. Now the fun begins as you move quickly on projects that truly bring impact to patients. Innovation is a continuous mindset, and AWS is here to help you uncover new clinical efficiencies, develop new revenue streams and speed discovery, prevent clinician burnout, and more. With AWS technology like Amazon Comprehend Medical and Amazon SageMaker, you can build, train, and deploy your own predictive analytics using machine learning models to pioneer early-stage cancer testing, advance therapeutic design, accelerate the drug discovery process to market, use voice recognition in hospitals to ease the burden on clinicians, and more. Let's keep working on personalized health together. AWS has what you need to innovate across the value chain and put the patient at the center of care.
AWS operates across the spectrum of health technologies in healthcare. This includes everything from clinical systems and document management to analytics, AI/ML, labs, medical research, back office financial and operations, and core health IT, such as EMR, PACS, and other core systems. By building atop AWS, our industry partners have a secure, industry standards compliant platform to deploy their solutions on, and they're able to unlock the data potential, bringing together structured, unstructured, and multimodal data for analysis, insights, and AI/ML modeling. These data-driven insights enable operational efficiencies and excellence and improve healthcare. Furthermore, the technology allows health professionals to engage with their patients and consumers at every major touchpoint of their healthcare journey. Lastly, by leveraging the cloud, health providers can increase the speed of innovation. Our trusted infrastructure removes the barriers of budget cycles needed to innovate and scale. Inefficient or outdated systems place administrative burden on clinicians, distracting them from their mission of improving healthcare outcomes. AWS provides the ability to run infrastructure and mission-critical clinical apps such as electronic health records and PACS systems in the cloud, combined with unmatched reliability, security, and data privacy. This reduces costs, automates core processes, and improves performance. In this example, our customer, Tufts Medicine, is migrating its entire digital healthcare ecosystem to create a digital platform on AWS. This cloud implementation includes the entire Epic production environment, as well as 40 integrated healthcare and business applications. Tufts Medicine estimates saving 20% annually by implementing Epic on AWS. More importantly, they are creating an environment that will support frictionless patient care, provide a joyful care provider experience, and enhance operations and security. We also work across companies of all sizes and shapes. Healthcare startup iMedisync has leveraged AWS to create a healthcare platform dedicated to mental health. iMedisync has managed a vastly expanded service to analyze brainwaves and emotions. With iSync Brain, a cloud AI-guided analytics system, the startup can detect dementia in its early stages and compare brain function patterns to determine abnormalities. Collected data for psychiatric research and treatment and development further pushes this industry forward. Thanks to the AWS Activate program, iMedisync was able to get the tools and resources they needed to build their business and to innovate. Today, iMedisync and AWS Korea are working together in creating a HIPAA architecture to allow global entry into the US market, as well as leveraging Amazon's SageMaker, which is our fully managed machine learning service, to train and deploy high-quality machine learning models quickly. Another startup that leverages AWS's AI ML capabilities is Korean startup Kai Health. Kai Health supports fertility clinics to make better treatment decisions using artificial intelligence. The company deployed a back-end system on AWS and manages its AI sources using AWS Code Commit. With deep learning environment using Amazon SageMaker, Kai Health has accelerated embryo analysis of digitally stored medical records and images, increasing the success rates of fertility procedures based on its AI clinical decision support system. Kai Health benefited from the AWS Active program as well, which is designed to foster early startups by offering free tools, resources, and more to quickly get started on AWS. The Samsung Medical Center became the world's first healthcare provider leveraging Amazon Web Services to acquire the Health Information and Management System Society Infrastructure Adoption Model Stage 7 validation in April of 2022. As the highest level, Stage 7 validation measures the maturity of a healthcare facility's technology infrastructure across 5 areas. These are mobility, security, collaboration, transport, and data center. This international benchmark recognizes Samsung Medical Center's commitment to transforming patient care and clinical research with technology. This is just the start. We are on this path with you and will continue to innovate alongside you. If you don't already know your AWS team, please reach out. We have many resources to support your journey in the cloud, including account executives, solutions engineers, professional services, partners, business developments, and subject matter experts. We're here to help you. Thank you for your time. I really enjoyed taking this opportunity to share some of the work we're doing in healthcare, and I look forward to talking with you soon.